Ramakant Gaur, for the past 2 days, I have been reading up and studying about it, and a lot of retired judges, senior legal luminaries have written that this impeachment, which is not mentioned in the Constitution, the process for removal is mentioned, but this process of what we call impeachment in common parlance is a very unusual, it is a rare tool, and it should only be applied when there is serious misconduct or a case of very serious impropriety. Otherwise, it will become very difficult for the judiciary to remain independent. Your first thoughts on the moving this impeachment motion for Justice Swaminathan?
My first thought, Smita ji, बगल में लाल किताब संविधान की रखकर आसमान में कूड़ा फेंकने वालों को ये याद रखना चाहिए वो कूड़ा उन्हीं के मुंह पर गिरता है. This judgment passed by the learned judge was nothing but reiteration of the proceedings which was held in original suit of 4 of 1920. So 1920 suit, which was upheld by the trial court in 1923, went up to Privy Council. Privy Council upheld the rights of the Hindus to let this Deepak. 1994 Madras High Court judgment is the same. So if somebody has read this judgment, they would not have pointed it out like such a serious case of impeachment. So if they know nothing about the Constitution, they know nothing about the facts of the case, and they are simply making hue and cry, then have pity on them. Amanji says one thing, that it is the history of Congress government. Keshwanand Bharati's case is not forgotten in history. ADM Jabalpur case, which has scuttled the pathways of Justice H.R. Khanna to reign as a Chief Justice of India, we have not forgotten. Umpteen number of judges of Delhi High Courts were transferred because of the facts that they did not pass any favorable orders, stroke judgments in favor of the then government. It's a matter of record. One of their own ASG at that time, Mr. Nariman, wrote in his book that this was a black era. So, emergency, we have not forgotten. Now, 3 more judges of Allahabad High Court were again superseded that time. So we have witnessed all that. We have not forgotten the Meerut riots. We have not forgotten 1984 riots. The victims could not be given justice because of the connivance of the then government. So they have always been trying to assail judiciary or dominate judiciary. They may not be succeeding in that. Judiciary is that powerful. If they were aggrieved by this judgment, they would have come to Supreme Court.